Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, the spotlight shines on the latest iteration of Apple's powerhouse tablet, the iPad Pro with the M4 chip. Apple promises a significant performance leap, a stunning OLED display in both sizes, and a new magic trick, the M4 chip's efficiency, allowing for a sleek, thinner design. But is the M4 iPad Pro a true upgrade or a case of diminishing returns? Let's dive in and find out. Design. The M4 iPad Pro retains the sleek and minimalist design language synonymous with Apple devices. Available in the familiar 11-inch and 12.9-inch sizes, the most noticeable change is the slimmer profile. While seemingly minor, the weight reduction makes a surprising difference in handling, especially for the larger 12.9-inch model. However, some users might miss the heft that provided a feeling of solidity in previous generations. Display. This year, Apple ditches the LCD panels and embraces the wonders of OLED technology across both iPad Pro sizes. The difference is staggering. Blacks are inky deep, colors pop with vibrancy, and viewing angles are phenomenal. Whether you're a creative professional editing photos or a movie buff binging your favorite show, the display is truly a sight to behold. However, it's important to note that OLED technology can be susceptible to burn-in if static images are displayed for extended periods. Chipset. The heart of the M4 iPad Pro is the much-anticipated M4 chip. Building upon the success of the M1, the M4 promises even faster performance and improved efficiency. During our testing, everyday tasks like browsing, multitasking, and running office applications were handled with effortless smoothness. However, pushing the limits with demanding creative applications revealed a more nuanced picture. The M4 does offer a performance boost over the M1, but for many users, the difference might not be a game changer, especially if you're already rocking an M1 iPad Pro. Camera system. The M4 iPad Pro retains the dual-lens rear camera system, 12-megapixel wide and 10-megapixel ultra-wide, and the TrueDepth front camera. While the cameras capture decent photos and videos suitable for video calls or casual documentation, they aren't the main attraction here. If you prioritize top-notch mobile photography, your smartphone might still be your go-to device. Battery life. Apple claims the M4 iPad Pro delivers similar battery life to its predecessor, despite the slimmer design. In our tests, we were able to squeeze out a full day of moderate use on a single charge. However, power users pushing the tablet's capabilities might find themselves reaching for the charger sooner. The trade-off between a slimmer design and potentially slightly reduced battery life is a consideration for some users. Apple Pencil support. This sleek tablet pairs beautifully with the first-generation Apple Pencil, allowing for natural note-taking, artistic creation, and precise marking up of documents. While the M4 chip might not be a huge leap for M1 iPad Pro users, the combination of power, portability, and the familiar pencil compatibility makes it a compelling option for creative professionals and those seeking a top-of-the-line tablet experience. Price. The M4 iPad Pro boasts a premium price tag to match its performance. Starting at $999 for the 11-inch Wi-Fi model and reaching over to $1,000 for higher storage options and cellular connectivity on the 12.9-inch version, it's definitely an investment. Consider your needs and compare it to the M1 iPad Pro or even powerful laptops before making the leap. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the Apple M4 iPad in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, goodbye.